Hello everyone, Namaskar. I am Hiya Yavalkar. Welcome back to the sixth session of my online Kathak tutorial. Today I would like to introduce you to another very important and integral part of Kathak, and those are Chakkar. Chakkar are nothing but spins, and there are a lot of different types of Chakkar that are used in Kathak. Some of them are of 3 steps, some of them are of 6 steps, some of them are 2 steps. There are some of just 1 step, but you spin twice in that just 1 step. And these are very similar to the pirouettes from ballet dancing. And other than these footsteps, there are also different types of arm movements that we use while doing these chakkars. Uh, Today we will learn the basic chakkar, which is 6 steps chakkar, and this would, I hope it would be very easy to follow for the beginners. But before we learn this chakkar, I would like you to do Kathak Namaskar. I have already done mine, and if you have not done it yet, please pause the video and do it. Let's start learning the basic chakkar. Now this is a 6 steps chakkar, and as usual we will first focus on learning the footwork and then we will learn the arm movements. So the first step of this 6 step chakkar is starts with your right leg, and you need to place your right leg in front of your left leg, and your toes of the right leg need to be facing on the left side. So assume that this is my left leg and this is my right leg. So, and let's say my tummy is the floor. So my right leg needs to step in front of my left leg like this, and it needs to point to the left side. So I will demonstrate it to you. I hope you can see it clearly. 1. So you can see that my toes are pointing on the left side. Now the second step is that I tap my left leg, and so right now my left leg is, or the toes of my left leg are pointing to the front, but when I tap the left leg for in the second step, they need to point to the right behind me. So let's do that. 2. So you can see that my heel is pointing to the audience right now. So that's step 2. Now the step 3 is same like step 1, where your right leg will again be placed in front of your left leg, and again it will be pointing to the left direction. So to your left direction. So this is the third step. And similarly the fourth step is same as your second step. So right now the left leg is pointing right behind. So after the fourth step it will be pointing right in front. 4. So you can see that the first, second, third, fourth you already make a round, and the fifth and sixth step are to be done on your place. So just you tap on your right leg and then you tap on your left leg. So 5, 6. Let's repeat. So you start with your right leg and place it in front of your left leg, and your toes of the right leg need to be facing the left side. That's your first step. 1. The second step is your left leg. You need to tap your left leg, and when you tap it needs to be pointing right at the back. 2. So that's your second step. The third step is you do the same that you did in first step. So you again place your right leg in front of your left leg, and your toes of the right leg need to be facing the left side. If you look at it from the front, that this is the right side for the audience. 3. And the fourth step is when you tap your left leg, and the toes need to point towards the front, that is towards your audience. 4. The fifth is you just tap your right leg. 5th. 6th is tap your left leg. 6. So let's combine it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope you followed the footsteps. Now let's learn the arm movements. The arm movements of this chakra are same as the arm movements that we learned for when we spinned in our Kathak Namaskar. So in our Kathak Namaskar we did this. 1, 2. So that's the same arm movement. So basically you open your arm, your right hand faces the audience, and it's stretched out towards your audience, and your left arm is stretched out right behind, almost making a straight line. So that's your first hand movement, or the first step. The second, third and fourth step, you will be bringing both of your arms together to the basic position. So in the first step you open your arms, and throughout, like beginning from second step, throughout the third and the fourth step, you are just going to bring your arms back to the basic position. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pretty simple. Although the arm movements of this basic chakra are quite simple, what we need to learn here is how to focus on a point when you are doing a chakra. This focusing on a single point is very essential, because if you don't focus on a single point, you get very dizzy if you do chakra one after the other. So let's learn how to focus on a single point. During the first step, you define the focus point that you will use throughout the chakra. So let me show you how to do this. So when you open your arms and your right hand is in front of you, your focus should be somewhere above your right hand, really far away, but in the same direction as your right hand. So that's your step number 1, defining the focus. 1. Now throughout the steps 2, 3 and 4, you are going to try to look at the focus point, but you are already turned. So if in your first step, your neck is turned on your right side like this, 1. So you can see my neck or my face is turned on my right side. But in the second step, when my body is actually facing the back, my face will already try to look at the focus point, but from the left side. So it will be like 2. So I am trying to look on my focus point, but of course because my body is facing behind, I cannot really do that. But so that's my you continue looking at the fourth focus point, and fifth and sixth is obviously you are still looking at that. Now this concentrating on the point is very important so that you don't lose your balance and you don't get dizzy, and so it helps when you do a chakra. So let's combine this arm movements, footwork, and where to focus all together. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we practice the Hastak and Chakar on music today, we will be doing the Hastak and Chakar in slow speed followed by a faster speed. So let's begin. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Double. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Change. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Double. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Change. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Double. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Change. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Double. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3. Double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.